Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So, how do you get the search results to display in grid view instead of list view? Now, you do need the add-on for this, but how do we get the page to load in grid view rather than list view first? If you go to Settings, Design Settings, then on the first page, you can click on Search Result Pages. And then if you scroll down, you can click on Member Search Layout. So at the moment, it starts in list view, but we're going to set it to grid view. So we go back up, save, go back. We'll go to the home page, and then we'll click back into Members Directory. You can see now they're loading as grid view over list view. So that's how you set up your search results to show in grid view. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.